We got a 2018 Kia Stinger GT. This is what it sounds like before we done anything to it. Go ahead, factory. Wow, it's so quiet. You can't even hear it. You hear the blow-up valve more. Again, here's sound decibels. So it's right at 84 with the blow-out valve. One more. We'll let you guys hear it out. 18 Kia Stinger Turbo GT, twin turbo. Really sexy car. It's got a lot of options on it, a lot of upgrades. He's done carbon fiber stuff. It's really cool. I like the look of these, man. They're fast too. If you guys look them up, they're really fast vehicles. Anyways, it's got factory converters up there, 2 of them. Then secondaries there. Then a factory X-pipe. And believe it or not, man, it's all 2-inch for some reason. I told him to bring it back, and we're gonna run it 2.5 all the way back to open it up. Then he kept the factory resonators there. Then 2-inch pipe out the back. And what we did is put 2 vibrant mufflers, bottle style resonators, as you guys can see right there, instead of the mufflers that were on it. There and right there. And it usually comes dual, so we just ran it out single until he comes back, because we're going to do a full kit for him. And we kept the stock mufflers on it there. I mean, these are the stock mufflers that we cut off right there and right there. They come single in, dual out to make it even quieter. So that's what it looks like after. 2 vibrants. There's the part number on them, 1790. There'll be a link in the description for them if you guys do want them. There and there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Do all you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. And share the heck out of this video if you like the sound. 2020 Kia Stinger GT. Really nice car, really rare. Got manifold converters somewhere up there on this side and this side. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe. Then it's got secondary converters there. Then it's got a factory X pipe, factory mid resonators. He didn't want it too loud. He didn't want the rasp. Then 2 1/4 pipe. And we continued it and did a muffler delete. There. And there. Into his quad tips. There. And there. This is the original mufflers that were on it. We cut them off. Because here, as you all know, we don't like mufflers. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Kia Stinger GT. Come get you. We got a 2018 Kia Stinger. Look at that thing. It's sexy. Really nice car. Got custom wheels on it. All murdered out black. I don't know why that's there, but that's cool though. Anyways, so we didn't do any work on it. She brought it in. Anyways, factory converter there, secondary converter there. Then it came with a Borla S-type bolt-on kit. So there's the X-pipe there. It's Borla. This is Borla's resonators. 2 of them, really cute little baby things. So we told her if she wants it louder, take the X-pipe out and take these 2 Borla resonators out. So she might come back and we'll do that. And then it's got the Borla S-type out the back, right there and right there. And there's the tips, carbon fiber out the back on each side. It's really cool. It's built into the bumper and all that. So it's a really cool car. All-wheel drive GT. Kia Stinger. These things fly, by the way, guys. So there it is, Borla S-type complete kit. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. There we go. Yeah, now it's got a little bit of a tone. His biggest thing, he didn't want drone. That's why we left the resonators on it. Here's sound decibels. 92.4. So it made it a lot louder. That's perfect. Again. always about being loud. It's about just clean. Certain cars, you just want them sounding clean. Nice. There's sound decibels. Right at 100. It's not even switching. I think that sound decibel machine is broke. Yeah, it's not switching. I don't know. Okay. Kia Stinger. Watch out, it'll sting you. GT. Run, run, run. That's not bad. Kia Stinger with Borla S-Type. Here's sound decibels. 104. Go ahead and back it up. And if you guys want to follow her on Instagram, this is her handle right there. Make sure you guys go and follow her. Tell her Exhaust Addict sent you. Kia Stinger. I like it, dude. Nice looking car. You can hear it spooling up. It's a distinctive sound. It's like it's breathing. Yeah. That's sick. Perfect addition is not too much, you know? Just clean. Brembo brakes. Wow! Beast mode and a Stinger. Muffler delete. Stinger GT Borla S-Type system. Let's see how fast this thing can go. They are quick, guys. You'd be surprised how quick these cars are. Stinger GT Borla S-Type. Enjoy, guys.